Hey guys, I'm Lydia and welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to make these DIY candy bags that I made for my son's daycare. Alright, they're super cute, super easy. I got them in a bunch of different colors and I made about 16 of them. So if you want to see how I made these really cute and easy DIY treat bags, just stay tuned and we'll jump straight into the video. Alright guys, so most of the stuff that you're going to see on this table, I ended up getting from Target. Okay, they were having a great sale on a lot of it, and I ended up making these bags about a month before Halloween even started. This is when they first put out their like Halloween stuff. Okay, so in total, I can tell you each bag pretty much ran me about $1.75 each to make. And you'll see that later on as I go to, and I'll post the links if I can find them on the Target website on where I got all of this stuff from down in the description below. So right now I'm just opening each bag individually and then I'm going to end up filling these. So I have cool little stuff like these little sunglasses. Well, they're not sunglasses, but they're like Halloween glasses. And I'm going to end up putting all of the big stuff in the bags first and then the little stuff on top just to make sure it's full and everything fits and I can close them. So right here I just have bubbles. And they're a bunch of different colors. I also have these little fingers, which are cool. And that's pretty much it for like the fun stuff I have, which is kind of weird, but it is. So we just have the fingers going in each bag. We have the bubbles going in each bag as well. Now you can add stickers or temporary tattoos, even small books like those little booklets that they have. I didn't want to because I just wanted to keep it kind of simple. So that's just some of the stuff that I added. Now here you can see that I'm adding fruity snacks. I don't know why, but I'm obsessed with giving fruity snacks out to my son and his class. I think it's healthy in my head. I know it's not, but that's what I do. So now I'm just going to fill it up with candy. I did count out the lollipops because I know how I used to be and I want my lollipops. So I made sure everyone got an even amount of lollipops. And then I'm just going to end up throwing some more candies in there. Now, I didn't include any chocolate candies due to the fact that my son has a dairy allergy and I know he's going to be getting one of these bags and I just didn't want to have to deal with it. But the beauty of these treat bags, guys, is that you can mix and match the content to please any occasion or like any dairy allergy restriction, nut restriction. So just make sure what you're like looking at on the label. And again, you can fill them with anything that you really want. You can do no candy and just straight little toys. So it's the sky's the limit. So these are the bags. And this is pretty much all I'm going to fill it with. And I'm going to show you an overhead view as well. So you can see how full they are. So they're not totally full. I can close them up. But they get a good amount of goodies and treats in there. And again, I usually do this for the holidays. Um, Not just Halloween, but I make treat bags for any holiday that comes up with my son, just because sometimes he does get left out with having a dairy allergy and they forget about him because he's the only kid in his class and he's end up, alone sometimes, not eating what everyone else is eating. So these are the cute little stickers that it came with. So that's the stickers you actually use to close the bag with. And then the other ones are the ones we're going to stick on top of the bag just to give it a little cute treat. So here I'm going to show you how I close it. It has a really easy indent seam on the front it's like indented, perforated, what do you call that? You know what I mean, guys. It's indent right there. So you just fold it right over, okay? And I'm going to use the cute little pumpkin sticker in a second just to close it up. And that's the only thing it's going to take to keep them closed. Now, some of the bags did pop open while I had them stored. So I ended up just putting a clear piece of scotch tape back there just to ensure that it stayed closed for delivery. But that's pretty much it. Most of them, like I said, did stay closed. It was only about two or three that opened up. And I think I just overfilled the bag. They aren't as big as they look, honestly. So now we're just going to stick this little cute pumpkin sticker on the top, little corner, and that's it. So I'm going to repeat the process for all of the bags that I have on the table. I don't know why I ended up doing it like individually like this right now, but in a second you'll see I actually start like assembly lining it to make it easier and for it to go faster. So that's it, guys. It's super easy. It's our DIY Halloween treat bags, and they're totally customizable for any occasion.